no me de to so amount enkwa mantembu so for Henry Kwate wane MPP amanyoko no wo mo a edi akire kitafo ni bi akwakochie mo ewo enka na bia ya na ya bato komisa no atena ekese meche former head office ho na ne nyina no wototo ne ma sanse mampanyira be de akire Dr. Lachi Mahmoud Bawumia be bom potemu ho de dani abebo aprahwe edi ntwe na ekoso ho no mo no sade ahokeka no esitie.
As you all know, this is a very, very important exercise, the right to vote. It's a very important right guaranteed by our Constitution, and the Electoral Commission undertakes continually registration of voters over the years. And I think this limited registration exercise is one such exercise. And so I thought that I should come around, as I have gone to other places, to see how it is going on. So far, my observation is that it has been going on smoothly here. I've had a chat with a few people along, and they all say it's going well. So let's hope it continues to do so.